Hi there, it's George here, and guess what, today I have to report this beauty. It's a beautiful cactus, and as you can see how nice it grow, and have to report in the budget pot. As you can see, this plastic cup is broken already, and yeah, and I will cut it in half because I want to prune, and I will see. After I will cut, I will let one day to dry you know, this I will cut too, as you can see how it looks like here. I don't like how it looks like, and yeah, I will choose this pot, nice size, and will be look beautiful all together in this pot. All cuttings I will put here in the pot, and it will look awesome. Just we have to do that, and let's do. First of all, let's remove this cactus from this plastic cup. Now I'm gonna put potting soil in this pot, and the soil is bought from the market. pH is 5.5 to 6.5. It contains perlite and sand as well. So, well, I'm gonna put it in the pot. But now it's time to plant this beautiful cactus in the new home. But we have to add a little bit more potting soil. It's perfect now. Now I'm gonna add potting soil around the cactus. Ready, I'm gonna no water because the potting soil it's a little bit moist. Well, now I have to cut it to propagate as I said, and I'm gonna cut this and this too, because I don't like how it looks here, and I'm gonna propagate it. I will let one day to dry, then I will put here in this pot and will grow roots easily. So let's do that. As you can see what it had there. Anyway, let's cut it. From that I made 2 cuttings, but from this I decided to make 3 cuttings. Even 4. And as well I will cut this because you can see how it looks like. And now, as you can see how many cuttings I have here. Well, waiting one day. Well, actually has been more than one day, and I'm ready to plant these cuttings, cactus cuttings here. As you can see, everything is fine, and let's do it. Just we have to make holes. So this is the final result, and hope they will grow beautiful. We will see. I put it here, then I will water, and everything will be fine. A few days I will let them, then I will water, and on one day I will make an update video how they will look like when they will grow here like so, and will be amazing. I will post update. And that's it for this video. Thanks so much for watching to the end. That means a lot for my channel. Subscribe if you want and hit that bell to get notification when I'm posting new videos. As well, you can subscribe to my photography channel. Link is in the corner and in description. Have an amazing day. Bye bye.